The Jeep brand has officially unveiled the all-new 2025 Jeep Compass, a major evolution of the popular SUV that has sold over 2.5 million units globally since its debut in 2006. This next-generation model is designed to redefine the standards in one of the most competitive automotive market segments, accounting for nearly a quarter of all car sales in Europe. Fabio Catone, Jeep brand director for Greater Europe, emphasized the company's commitment to innovation and sustainability, stating, "The new Jeep Compass boldly represents the brand's forward-thinking philosophy, highlighting our dedication to not only meeting today's market demands, but also anticipating tomorrow's opportunities."